Hello, baby.
Hello. It's Christmas.
Sunday afternoon.
It is.
We've got a few hours free.
We have.
The weather's reasonably bright.
Reasonably bright.
And today's a pretty special event.
It is, and I've been looking forward to this all year. It's the annual Sons of Santa charity ride. We love this ride. We go every year. And I'd love nothing more than if you came with us for the journey. Let's go! Woohoo! So, we're on our way to the bike ride. Oh look, there's scaffolders. Wave hi! Hiya! We're on our way to the Sons of Santa. I was going to say Secret Santa. Someone's out running this time of day. Morning! So we're meeting down a local cafe and then we're going to join other people to go for the ride. So that'll be nice that we'll have company. So we can look at all the lovely bikes. Apparently when we get to the cafe there's free donuts and coffee. So obviously I got up for that.
I don't know if they did it last year or if we just didn't see it on the socials. But it looks as though there's a few like little meet-up spots now. So I know some are meeting up in Park Ferme Coffee, some are meeting up in Unit 7. But we're meeting Oliver this morning.
Yeah, he's going to Unit 7.
So Unit 7, here we come.
Woohoo! Let's go! We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! I got Santas! Hey boys! We're here.
We're here. Oliver's there, doing his bike up.
Oh, that's a good one, the guy in the dark red.
Let's see what's going on. Shout out to Unit 7.
We love Unit 7, free Kit Kat.
Free teas. Hey, you forgot the donuts. Free chocolate bars.
We're here with our #1 supporter.
We bumped into the Pikachu Club again.
Pikachu car!
Okay. Looking good there. Give us a rev, dude.
Oh, bless him.
Whoa! Beast mode.
I'm really hungry. We are here.
We're here. Looks stunning.
I've got sausage in a roll.
Sausage bapping. Bang in.
Yeah.
Got a little bacon roll, keep us going.
Hello.
Hello. How are you doing?
I'm all right.
and have a little look. Oh, is that going to join us through Porthcawl? Look how many people are here.
It's cool, isn't it? Hello! My favourite elf!
Come and see what Santa's got.
Oh, it's funny.
Look.
No! It's the real... Oh my god, he's got a dog! I didn't see the dog and now it's... Oh! Good boy! What are you watching? The squirrels? Now we have tractors. This is a Santa Claus and his wife and a dog. It's a rev off. Babe, I haven't whinged once today.
Well, you can't win, it's Christmas and you won't get anything for Christmas.
Oh yeah.
All the Santas are watching. Someone's got the poppiest bike I've ever heard.
I know. I think it's the guy with a nice bike down there, the one we like, one in front but one. That's the top.
gone really well. So baby,
Yeah.
that was 2025 Cez and Santa, and
Yes, it was.
I think they got one more stop to do, but we got to get back. So we
We
need
got to
to
get back because we have a child.
So we need to tootle off.
I really, really enjoyed that. Did you?
That was an absolute highlight of the year. That was.
I feel Christmassy now.
The last two have been brilliant. That one was like the other two on steroids. Now that they've got the little parade thing and everything, it's absolutely incredible what they've done. So it's been a fantastic day. Nice to see all the little cafes like Unit 7, well, the big cafes, the cafes like Unit 7, Park Ferme Coffee, supporting everybody at the start. It's a really, really good event, this now.